Hi guys, welcome back to Everything Elizabeth. Today I will be doing a food challenge for you guys from Famous Dave's. This is the chicken strips. I got one of my family members got. Hi guys, welcome back to Everything Elizabeth. Today I'll be showing you what I got from Famous Dave's. The chicken tenders and fries. A muffin. I may not eat the muffin, but it came with it. I also got my honey mustard for me to dip in. I also got my peach drink. So first we're gonna start off with the chicken. It's pretty good. With the honey mustard dipped in, it's pretty good. Now I'm gonna show you the fries before I start.
Okay, that part was sad. Oh, God.
Sorry guys, I'm still chewing after the first bite. It's pretty good. If you dip it in some type of like ranch, honey mustard.
What do you rate the food?
Wait, barbecue is good. I rate the food to 10 out of 10 because when you bite, into it, it's so satisfying. The crunch in it. Let's try it again. The crunch is so satisfying. And this food is 10 out of 10. Their food is so delicious and so good. Top notch. I would recommend you to go to Famous Day to get the chicken tenders and the fries and the muffin and the honey mustard or whatever dipping sauce you prefer. That's up to you guys, but that's just my preference and how I like it. So this is it. Like and subscribe to Lacey's Lab. I hope you enjoyed this mukbang again. Food mukbang again. Like and subscribe to Everything Elizabeth. Bye guys. Peace out.